Hey folks, in October 2024, Apple introduced its latest update to the iMac line, revealing the iMac M4 2024 equipped with the new M4 processor. This announcement has intrigued Apple enthusiasts, especially those curious about how the new model stacks up against its 2023 predecessor, the iMac M3. Though the design remains familiar, as does the starting price of £1,299, the iMac M4 integrates notable upgrades in processing power, AI capabilities, memory, and display options. Here's how iMac M4 compares to iMac M3, shedding light on the new enhancements. The heart of this update is iMac M4's processor, first introduced in iPad Pro M4 earlier in the year. Although Apple has chosen to emphasize the leaps made over the M1 rather than directly comparing M3 and M4, there are clear improvements in speed and efficiency. The M4's core advantage is in Apple Intelligence, a feature powered by a 16-core neural engine that now handles up to 38 trillion operations per second, more than doubling the M3's 18 trillion operations per second. This allows the iMac M4 to excel in tasks involving generative AI, delivering a smoother experience in tasks that require machine learning. Alongside AI, the M4 processor now supports configurations with up to 10 CPU and GPU cores, a step up from the M3's maximum of 8 cores. Memory capabilities also see a boost, with the base model starting at 16 gigs of unified memory, twice the M3's standard 8 gigs. The iMac M4 can be upgraded to a substantial 32 gigs of unified memory, surpassing the M3's maximum of 24 gigs. This increased RAM capacity allows the iMac M4 to handle more intensive multitasking and complex applications, making it a better fit for professionals working with demanding software. The M4 processor boasts improved power efficiency and overall performance, though Apple has not specified exact standard processing power gains over the M3. However, users can expect a smoother, more efficient experience due to this refined architecture, especially when tackling graphics-heavy or computation-intensive tasks. The iMac's 24-inch 4.5K Retina display, a beloved feature for its clarity and color accuracy, now includes an optional nano-textured glass upgrade for the M4 model. One of the most anticipated features in the iMac M4 is the integration of center stage in the webcam. Previously available on other Apple devices but not the iMac, this 12-megapixel webcam feature automatically keeps users centered during video calls by tracking movement in real time. This makes the iMac M4 a strong contender for those who rely on video conferencing, enhancing the camera experience for users who want hands-free, centered focus during calls. Another area where the iMac M4 edges out the M3 is connectivity. All 4 USB-C ports on the iMac M4 with the 10-core configuration now support Thunderbolt 4, enabling faster data transfers, support for up to 2 additional 6K displays at 60 Hz, or one 8K display at 120 Hz. By contrast, iMac M3 was limited to Thunderbolt 3, a difference that could be significant for users who require multiple high-resolution external displays or faster peripheral connectivity. Apple continues its shift towards USB-C, implementing it across its peripherals, including Magic Keyboard, Magic Trackpad, and Magic Mouse. This change symbolizes Apple's gradual move away from the Lightning connector, though some anticipated design changes, like improvements to the Magic Mouse, were not introduced this year. Overall, the iMac M4 delivers evolutionary but meaningful updates to Apple's all-in-one desktop line. With a more powerful M4 chip, a neural engine tailored for AI tasks, greater memory options, and enhanced display and connectivity features, the 2024 model targets users who need a more powerful workstation with improved versatility. While the design remains rooted in recent iterations, the technical advancements make the iMac M4 a substantial upgrade over the iMac M3, positioning it as a solid choice for both new users and those looking to maximize performance within the Apple ecosystem. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new comparison? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.